In today's video, I'll teach you how to go live on Snapchat. So if you want to go live on Snapchat, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. You can see over here, Snapchat application has been opened. So in order to go live, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Snapchat live streaming is only available to verified creators or event streams. That means the average Snapchat user cannot access the inherent Go Live feature. But if you're the verified content creator, you'll be able to find the option for Go Live in the settings interface. All you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, you'll be able to go live with Snapchat. So like this, you'll be able to go live. So that is how you go live on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.